Okay, so a couple things to note. So I have snacks and stuff on my nightstand. Gotta go. Water bottles and all of like my packages. That, okay. The bed's not that bad. I just really need to make that. But we need to start with the suitcase and the laundry. Okay, starting with my desk. This is her now. Very cluttered, but that is another problem for a different day. This is my bed. Beautiful, look at her. And then my side table. This is the treadmill. It's better. I'm gonna get rid of that, what to call it, so don't worry about that. That's Gil.
What the dog doing?
we are at the end of the video. I want to talk about where have I been, catch you up, update you a little bit. So basically, I didn't drop out, but I'm just not in school right now. I think me not being in school really like threw off my usual routine and everything. I was just rotting in my bed and not being myself pretty much. So I started by making a bunch of planners. I also did like a rebrand. Welcome to the start of my digital diaries. That's embarrassing, but that's what the diary is about. It's about embarrassing stuff. I just want to take you guys on my journey living in my 20s. I don't know where I was going with that. I just know that I want to bring you guys into my diaries, let you into my diaries. I am going to sign off now, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.